Hello, I'm David Cassidy with the midweek market update for Wednesday, the 16th of June. Despite a number of economic data releases, global equity markets have effectively gone nowhere so far this week as everyone is waiting for the conclusion of this evening's Fed monetary policy meeting. This is because Fed policymakers may give an indication of whether or not it's time to start discussing the need to scale back and then reverse their bond buying program, QE, quantitative easing. And with the Fed due to update the dot plot, which shows each policymaker's interest rate forecast for each of the next 3 years, there is growing market speculation that the Fed will increase US interest rates possibly as early as next year. While a shift in the dot plot is easily conceivable, as 7 of the 18 policymakers are already forecasting an increase in 2022, it should be emphasised that the dot plot is not a commitment, it's just a forecast. And while recent US economic data clearly shows that the US economy is recovering, we don't believe it has been strong enough to justify higher interest rates anytime soon, especially as the high inflation readings are transitory and the employment market is still a long way from where it was before the coronavirus outbreak. Consequently, while we fully expect the announcement to remain suitably dovish, we will be looking for any slight changes in tone. Elsewhere, Wednesday morning's UK CPI inflation reading came in above the Bank of England's 2% target at 2.1%, thanks to the economic reopening as fuel, clothing and footwear, transport and holidays, including hotels, all saw large increases. Other economic data from the UK this week shows that the easing of lockdown restrictions was helping to reduce unemployment, the unemployment rate falling to 4.7% in April from 4.8% in March, as employment rose by 113,000 in the 3 months to April. And although wage growth increased to 5.6%, this is being distorted as furloughed staff start to return to work. We will be updating you on our analysis of the Fed policy meeting in our weekly market summary on Monday the 21st.